here, straighten it out. Come here. Yeah, dude. Look at you go. All right, come on.
Watch out, Dad.
Brake. Yeah, you gotta remember your brake. That's how you stop. You don't want to run in enough. You just hit your brake. Motherfucker's bad, dude.
That thing's got some cojones. Especially with, I mean, she don't weigh nothing.
Yeah.
Good job.
Turn hard.